Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to have a normal delivery or a natural delivery. So I would only think about in my last trimester is um, how the delivery is going to be. Is it going to be a natural delivery or a C-section, or the baby's going to come out early or late, or will I be able to handle the pain? Is it going to take too long, or it'll be quick? So today I'm going to share with you my experience, what things worked out for me and to have a normal delivery. So first thing what you can do is walking. Walking is really important throughout your pregnancy. This is what everyone tells you about because it really works. It's good throughout the pregnancy, especially in the last trimester. For me, I did about 25 to 30 minutes walk daily. And if you don't feel like walking someday, so do not stress yourself so much, just relax yourself. But make sure you walk at least some minutes of the day daily. Or the second thing is prenatal yoga. Now, this is really very important. You have to do this yoga throughout your pregnancy, like I did almost every day from day 1 to the day of delivery. And so I had a full-time job during my pregnancy, so I used to do only the key exercises. Some of my close ones know that I have been doing yoga since I'm a kid, so that was an advantage for me during my pregnancy to have a natural delivery. You don't need to join any yoga class. You can watch some YouTube videos, and I'll surely come out with some vlogs for the prenatal yoga according to every trimester. So the third thing is squats. Now squats are like to open up your hip joints, and it's really important during a third trimester. It's basically it pushes your baby into the birth canal, and you have that flexibility and energy to push your baby during the labor. So doing squats, as I used to do around 10 squats, and there are a lot of variations in it. I'll again come up with that later. And it's always good to ask your health practitioner if you can do these, because and doing squats in your third trimester is only advisable, but again, talk to your doctor. So the next is Kegels. Kegels are the pelvic floor exercises. It strengthens the pelvic floor muscles, and it is very important to have strong pelvic muscles during your labor to push the baby out. Kegels are like you have to pull up the pelvic muscles, hold it for 10-15 seconds, and then release it slowly. So you can Google it, and I could do about 10-15 Kegels at a time. And you can do it anytime, like while sitting, watching TV. The Kegel exercises are very essential. So the last thing is stay hydrated. Yeah, that is really very important. Drink lot of water, because at the end of 9 months, your amniotic fluid, what they say, baby grows and the fluid try to get lessened. So it happened with me in my in my 8th month. My amniotic fluid went very low, and doctor suggested me to have a C-section because it might harm to the baby to move inside. So then I decided not to give up, and I used to have at least 2.5 liters of water. Still, I don't know, these things happened. So then I started with the medication for the same, and I increased my water content. I had fruits more, which were water based, and later, yeah, it worked. My water level, my amniotic fluid increased, and I had a normal delivery. So yeah, I would always suggest, depends upon your climate, whatever it is, you should drink water. 2.5 liters is minimum according to your body type and weight. So please again consult with your health practitioner. So those were the things which worked out for me to have a normal delivery. The basic funda is to be active throughout your pregnancy, to have the natural one. So I conclude here. The reading is don't stress out, be relaxed throughout your pregnancy, listen to good music, do what you want, to indulge yourself in creative stuff or whatever you love to do. And so no matter how your baby comes out through a C-section or a natural delivery, the reward is worth it. So enjoy your pregnancy and happy parenting.